हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। आज हम एक्टिव केमिस्ट्री में करने वाले हैं केमिकल इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट का पार्ट 2। पार्ट 1 में हमने इलेक्ट्रोलाइट टॉपिक लिया था। पार्ट 2 में हम एलईडी, मैग्नेटिक कंपास एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस पढ़ेंगे। गॉट इट? कोई वैसे मैं एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ एक वीडियो में, बट एक क्विक रिवीजन के तौर पे हम इस वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। गॉट इट? चलो, firstly topic LED. What is the full form of LED? Light emitting diode. It is a device which can detect even a very small amount of current. जो बहुत छोटी सी अमाउंट में करंट भी फ्लो हो रहा है उसको भी डिटेक्ट कर सकती है एलईडी। इसलिए जो हम टेस्टर का बल्ब है उसको रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं एलईडी या मैग्नेटिक कंपास से। ये दोनों डिवाइसेस हैं जो वेरी वीक अमाउंट ऑफ करंट को डिटेक्ट करती हैं। नेक्स्ट, एलईडी के दो टर्मिनल्स होते हैं, longer lead and shorter one. Longer one is connected to positive terminal and shorter one will connected to negative terminal. Got it? LED से यही 2 या 3 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस, द decomposition of electrolyte with the help of electricity is called electrolysis. क्लियर? हम लोग इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस में 2 के एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़ते हैं, सोडियम क्लोराइड एंड वाटर। तो फर्स्टली सोडियम क्लोराइड, you know very well sodium chloride exists in solid state, so particles are tightly bounded, so it cannot move, and ions are not free, so it is poor conductor, or you can say it will not conduct at all electricity. So for conduction of electricity we have to take a molten sodium chloride or aqueous solution of sodium chloride. In molten form NaCl, Na and Cl ions will be formed, so chlorine gas will be deposited at anode because chlorine gas is negative in nature. Got it? Now aqueous solution of NaCl, which we call brine solution, and the electrolysis method is known as chlor-alkali process, because during this process chlorine gas, hydrogen gas and alkali NaOH, sodium hydroxide, it is also known as caustic soda, are formed. Got it? So this process is chlor-alkali process. Chlor means chlorine gas, alkali means sodium hydroxide. Clear? Now one question arises from it. By which process caustic soda is prepared on commercial level? By chlor-alkali process or electrolysis of sodium chloride, aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Got it? Hydrogen gas will be collected at cathode. So this is electrolysis of brine solution. Now water. During electrolysis of water, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas bubbles will be formed. Hydrogen gas will be collected at cathode, oxygen gas will be collected at anode. In the ratio, hydrogen will be double the amount of oxygen in 2:1. Got it? So these questions arise from electrolysis. Now the one more topic, electroplating, which is application of electrolysis. The coating of desired metal over another metal is known as electroplating. We do electroplating to give attractive finish, to protect metal from corrosion, and to cover or coating a more expensive metal over a cheap metal. Got it? Now in electroplating, what we do? The metal to be electroplated is taken as cathode, and the electrolyte is taken of the anode, by which metal is electroplating on another metal. क्लियर? तो इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटेड में इम्पोर्टेंट है कि जिसके ऊपर आप प्लेटिंग कर रहे हैं वो कौन सी इलेक्ट्रोड है? कैथोड। इसीलिए कैथोड गेट थिकर एंड थिकर एंड एनोड बिकम थिनर। आप याद कर सकते हैं, मैंने पहले भी बताया, NCR नेगेटिव कैथोड रिडक्शन, पाओ पॉजिटिव एनोड ऑक्सीडेशन. गॉट इट? एंड द depositing material come from the electrolyte, and this whole apparatus in which this process is carried out, electrolysis process is carried out, is known as voltammeter. Clear? Now the last application, electro refining or purification of metal. In this process, you have taken electrolyte and impure metal is taken as anode. And how you will remember it? Because at the end, at the bottom, you will get anode mud. So by name you can learn it. Anode mud, it means anode is impure metal. Okay, I hope you will clear all the topic related to chemical effect of electric current. Still, if you have any doubt, please post your comment. Okay, bye bye, take care and have a nice day.